Hi, beautiful, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to DeDon Kitchen. Guess what, guys? DeDon is in the kitchen again to do what? Yes, it's that time of year. You always get it right. We're gonna soak our fruit for Christmas baking. So this year, I'll be making a sorrel cake, and you have to make the preparation before we bake the cake. So we're gonna soak our fruit in sorrel. I'm not gonna use any rum or any wine to soak the fruit this year. So this year is basically sorrel we're gonna use to soak the fruit. So before I get into the video to show you how to make the sorrel juice to soak the fruit, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when DeDon upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, followers, subscribers, silent watcher, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. So if in case you don't know, the sorrel looking like this. But this sorrel, I have it from last year in the refrigerator, in the freezer. Yeah, it have freeze from last year. And if you go to buy the sorrel, it look like this. So you have different color of the sorrel. So based on the color, some is pale in color. This is dark red or dark. So you know this is really rich. So some of the sorrel is pale. So when you buy it and you get the red one, when you make the sorrel, the juice will be so rich, the color. So all you need for your sorrel here, I have like 1 pound of sorrel. You're gonna need ginger. You need some pimento seed, or they call it allspice, and you need some cloves. You're gonna need a little rice. You need a sugar for sweetening, but for this we're not gonna sweeten it because I'm gonna do it the other way around. So our sorrel already prepared, because before I put it in the refrigerator, in the freezer, I already wash and everything like that. So you have to have some water on the fire, about 2 cups of 5 cups of water on the fire. So follow me over to the stove. But before I go over to the stove, you got to beat the ginger. You want to crush your ginger. I already have some sorrel maker that I'm going to use, but I'm just demonstrating just to show you what to do. So you're just going to crush. Yeah, just tap on the ginger till it look like this. This is a pot with the boiling water. I'm not doing a lot because I already have my sorrel make. I'm just showing you what to do. So your fire is off. You put the ginger in and your sorrel. And you're going to add your pimento seed and your cloves. Just add it in. You can look, you can see it already changing color. So you're just going to put it, cover it up. Never you use a copper pot. Never use an aluminum pot to make your sorrel in. So we're going to just cover this and let it sit there overnight. So ahead of time, let me show you how your sorrel will be looking. I already make this. See it all sweating. So we already made this sorrel. See, we already make this sorrel. The same thing I show you with the ginger and the sorrel. And you see the color, so rich it looking. You see it's so red, right? So we already make our sorrel. So this is what I'm gonna use to soak some of the fruit. So here is a fruit. I have raisin and I have currant. So for the currant, I have everything already combined. So let me show you the different. You see these, the darker color like these are the currant. The raisin is a bigger one, the big brown ones like these. These are the raisin and the currant. So this is a raisin, the browner one, bigger, and the small black, some small fine one, that's a raisin. That's a currant, and we have about 2 to 3 pounds of raisin mixed with currant right over here. Also, I have some cherries. So in the mason jar, we're gonna put some of our raisin and our currant and the cherry, and we're just gonna scoop it up and put inside. Guys, do you know the sorrel have so much benefit? Yeah, the sorrel has so many health benefits, including antioxidant, which can help prevent chronic condition like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer. It is rich in vitamin C and A. Sorrel can be eaten raw. Did you know that? Yes. It can be eaten raw or you can cook it. So this is a cherry right here. That's gonna add in some of our cherries. So guys, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed. You always been watching the video and you never subscribe. What are you waiting for? So here I'm just gonna add the sorrel to it. So we're adding our sorrel. You have never subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when DeDon upload a video. And share the video. Don't keep it to yourself. I think this is new. Soaking fruit in sorrel. No alcohol. Share the video, guys. Like. It is free to like. And when you like the video, you know, YouTube see that people like the video, you comment, you share it, then the video can go to a wider audience. They will send out the video and it will go viral. So like up the video, share, and please become a channel member. I need members on my channel. So now that we have all of this covered in the sorrel, you're just gonna put the lid on. So this is all we soak in our fruit for our sorrel fruit cake. And let me share something with you guys before I go. The present moment is the most important moment in our life. Always remember that the present moment that is now, it is the most important moment in our life. Please remember to thumbs up, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell. Guys, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one when I'm baking the sorrel cake. Stay tuned. So this is part 1. Or you make the sorrel to soak the sorrel juice to soak your fruit in. Or you make the sorrel juice to soak your fruit. This is part 1. So I'll be with you in part 2. Stay tuned. So for you to see part 2, you have to do what? Hit that notification bell. So you will be the first to know. You won't miss any. Because remember, this is the time of the year again, you know, for baking and giving. So this is all it takes, guys, to make the sorrel juice to soak the fruit. You need a sorrel, the ginger, and water, your pimento seed, and your allspice. That's all for the sorrel drink. And then you need your raisin, your currant, and the cherries. Like You can say 1 pound of raisin, 1 pound of currant, half pound of cherries. And you're gonna need like 4 cups of the sorrel drink to soak the fruit in. So see our fruit ready. I make the sorrel juice. I'll show you how to do it. And we're gonna cover our fruit, and I'm gonna store this until I'm ready to bake the sorrel fruit cake.